Good morning, students. In today's class of physics, we will discuss about equations of motion for uniformly accelerated motion. Okay. So, first of all, equations of motion. The uniformly accelerated motion of a body is described by three equations known as equations of motion. First equation of motion, second equation of motion, and third equation of motion. First of all, first equation of motion. First equation of motion, the relation between initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, and time. So relation between initial velocity, which we denote by a small u, final velocity, a small v, then acceleration and time. And this first equation of motion is also known as velocity time relation, and it is denoted by, we can write first equation of motion as v is equal to u plus at. It means relation between initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration and time. It means first equation of motion we can write like this. Now second one is second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Second equation of motion, the relation between distance traveled, which we denote by s. It means a relation between distance traveled, which we denote by s, initial velocity u, time t, and acceleration, that is a small a. It means we denote acceleration by a small a. Second equation of motion, relation between s, distance traveled, u, initial velocity, t, time, and acceleration a. This second equation of motion we can write as s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Second equation of motion we can write s is equal to ut plus half at square. This second equation of motion is also known as position time relation. Now third equation of motion. Third equation of motion, the relation between final velocity, which we denote by a small v, initial velocity, which we denote by a small u, acceleration and distance traveled, which we denote by a small s. This one is third equation of motion. It means relation between v, u, a and s. And we can write third equation of motion as v square minus u square is equal to 2as. v, u, a and s. So we can write like this. And this third equation of motion is also known as position velocity relation. It means third equation of motion is also known as position velocity relation. Now, first equation of motion by graphical method. First equation of motion. First equation of motion by graphical method. Consider the motion of a body, okay, moving in a straight line with increasing velocity. So for this, first of all, we have to plot a graph. This one velocity time graph, time, this one velocity, okay. So consider the motion of a body moving in a straight line with increasing velocity. Let the initial velocity of the body be u. Suppose that initial velocity of an object whose initial position and final. Initial velocity and final. Now, initial velocity is u. Okay? This is the velocity of the body at t is equal to 0. It means at this one position time is 0. Now, just we join okay. Here AB is what? AB just slope. AB is slope of this velocity time graph. Now, suppose this one position N, origin, okay, at this one position origin, then total velocity from this to this position V, okay. Now next, with the help of this graph here, what we have to find out, just slope of this graph. Slope of this graph, origin AB, M, then suppose P position is here, and this T total time, okay. Now in this one graph, that is velocity time graph, okay. So consider the motion of a body moving in a straight line with increasing velocity. Let the initial velocity of the object of the body be u. This is the velocity of the body at t is equal to what? 0. The body accelerates uniformly with an acceleration what? A. Here acceleration is A. Let the velocity of the body be v after time t. Okay, initial velocity is u, final velocity is v, but after time t, this velocity time graph of such a body will be a straight line. The velocity time graph of such a body will be a straight line. Okay. Now derivation of the first equation of motion. So first of all, how we calculate acceleration? Here acceleration is just slope of the graph, that is AB. Slope of the VT graph, that is AB. Here we have to calculate what? Slope. So acceleration is equal to slope of line AB. We can also write slope of line AB. Okay. So slope of line AB, how can we just calculate slope? Slope is equal to what? Slope is equal to just ratio of these BM and AM. It means slope of line AB is equal to BM by AM. Now BM we can write BP minus MP. BP minus MP by AM by AM. Now here BP is what? BP is V minus MP is U and AM is T. And the slope of line, that is acceleration. So A is equal to V minus U by T. Now if we cross multiply, then we can write V minus U is equal to AT, or V is equal to U plus AT. Here I have changed the side of this U, so we can write V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the first equation of motion which I have derived graphically. Thank you.